Hi everyone, so today I'm going to film the Cupcake Onesie DIY, and if you want to see how I do it, please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab the onesies and take them off of the hangers. So the first thing you're going to do is grab one onesie. I like this one specifically because it had the flash symbol. But I'm going to turn it this way. No, I'm going to leave it like this. And I'm going to roll it to make it real skinny and tiny. Just like this. And now I'm going to grab a sock and put it at the end and start rolling it. And now I'm just going to take an elastic band and wrap it around the cupcake, just like this, so it stays in its place. And I'm going to stick it inside of this little cup so it looks like a cupcake. Moving on to the next one, I'm going to do the exact same thing. So after I am done with making my cupcakes, I am going to stick them inside of this little container I found at Party City for, I believe, $2.99, but I will link down all the prices for everything I got down below. So this is the final result. I really hope that you guys like it. I definitely enjoyed filming it for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like me, please subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!